Hello students, today we are going to see one more interesting topic from the circulation and transportation in humans. Let me say a few introduction points regarding our topic. Here, have you ever seen during blood transfusion, have you ever seen how an operation done in an operation theater in a hospital? During operation, patients required more amount of blood, isn't it? So anyway, if I need a blood, who can donate blood to me? If you require blood, who can give blood to you? For all these questions, let us find out the answers. Now, let us see what are various blood groups. There are various blood groups found, and you have to learn one interesting point. On the RBC, there is a glycoprotein present which is called as the antigen. So this antigen which plays an important role during blood transfusion. These antigens are differ in different persons. Your antigens on RBC differ from my antigens. Your mother antigens are differ from your father antigens. Now, because of these antigens called glycoproteins on RBC, which defines the blood grouping system. Now, each blood grouping system has some characters we are going to see. In 1900, Karl Landsteiner discovered three different types of blood groups: A group blood, B group blood, and AB group type of blood. Now, there is one more type of blood group called O group blood, which is discovered by another scientists De Castello and Stully. Now, let us see what is A group blood. A group blood has A antigens on their RBC, B antibodies in their plasma. If you see the B group blood persons has B antigens in their RBC and antigen A in their plasma. Antibodies A in their plasma. Now, O group blood persons has no antigens but antibodies A comma B present in their plasma. Now, let me ask you a question. Based on this, who can donate blood to O group, or who can donate blood to A comma B blood group persons? Now, if you see, O group blood do not have antigens, so hence O group blood can donate blood to anyone like A comma B comma AB. Why? Because A group blood persons have antigens A, B group blood persons have antigens B, and antibodies AB present in the O group blood and no antigens in the O group blood. Because of this reason, O group blood persons are called universal donors. They can give blood to anyone. Okay, you can receive the blood from O group blood persons. I can receive the blood from O group blood persons. Okay, now if you see the AB group blood, what about AB group blood? It's quite interesting compared with A comma B comma O. AB group blood persons have both A comma B antigens on their RBC but no antibodies in their plasma. Because of this reason, AB group blood persons, they can receive the blood from anyone. Okay, so AB group blood persons are called as universal recipients. They can receive the blood from anyone. Because of this character, they are called universal recipients. Now, blood group B has antigens with antibodies A in the plasma, isn't it? If you take a blood group B, has B antigens in the RBC, antigens A in the plasma. So B group blood person can receive the blood from O, isn't it? Next. So then blood group A has A antigens in their red blood cells with B antibodies in their plasma. Hence, blood group A can receive the blood from O, isn't it? Now, blood group A can donate blood to AB. Blood group B can donate blood to AB. Why? Because AB blood group is universal recipient. Why it is called universal recipient? There is a reason, right? Because they have both antigens AB but no antibodies. Hence they are universal recipients. Now, let us learn one more interesting point. Blood group B has B antigens with antibody A in the plasma. Now, if you see blood group O, they are not having any antigens on their RBC, but they do have antibodies in their plasma. So hence, this O group blood persons, whether it is O negative or O positive, they can donate blood to in some exceptions, but in some exceptions they can donate blood to anyone. Blood group AB has both A and B antigens but no antibodies. Clear, students? Now based upon this, let us try to find out what is an immunoglobulin. An immunoglobulin is indicated by IgA, IgZ, IgD, IgE. So immunoglobulins are like this. They are different types. Immunoglobulins blood test. What is immunoglobulin blood test? This test measures the amount of immunoglobulins, also known as the antibodies, So these antibodies are present in our blood plasma, as you know very well. Antibodies are also proteinous molecules. They are proteins made by the immune system to fight diseases or disease causing substances. So viruses, bacteria, all these are removed or killed by this antibodies in our immune system. They are proteinous molecules. So the antibodies, which includes as you know very well, antibodies already we have seen. I hope so everybody enjoyed the session, right? So antigen antibody reaction, as you know very well, antigen antibody reaction. Let us meet in the next session once again with a new topic. Until stay tuned, have a nice day.